Hi folks, in this tutorial we will deal with text decoration, which means we will mess around with alignment, with lines through the text or at the top or at the bottom. We will capitalize letters and stuff without using programming languages. We will just use simple CSS. But before everything else, I'm sorry, but I need to use those because my head will explode. A simple paragraph, nothing special, so let's go to our CSS file, and first we will define text alignment. Text align, where to? Left, center and right. What is that sound? Text align will be, left. That's actually default, so check this result, nothing because it's default. Often when you are messing around with text, you will need to set different widths specific for that container or paragraph or something. So let's do that now. Width will be 400 pixels for our result to be obvious, and why not, let's define background yellow because it's kind of nice. Yep. So let's use center. For text align value, this, and right, this. But please note, we are not dealing with positioning of our paragraph on page, we are dealing with position of text inside of that paragraph or container or div, whatever term you wanna use. Nice. Next property is text decoration. I was mentioning lines, so you will use text decoration when you want to have a line through the text or up or down. For example, overline will give you this result. See this line above the text. Now underline is completely different, like this. And you have text, line, throat. Did I say that correctly? Throat. I don't know. So you know probably English better than I do. Throat. Throw. Never mind. Just skip this part. I didn't say anything. Yep. Now let's go to none. You can use none if you are using text decoration, which will give you the same result if you remove completely everything. See? None. And the next property will be what we're gonna do if you wanna use do something with letters, okay? You wanna uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, things like that. So text transformation will be, for example, uppercase. Really simple stuff. So please note, when you're doing with text transformation, you can use many languages, programming languages for web, specific functions for messing around with text in uppercase and lowercase sense, but you can also use CSS. Before using function in programming languages, think, can you do that with CSS, pure CSS? Uppercase, yep, that's about it. And when you say lowercase, result will be this. So every letter is lowercase. Don't confuse that with normal text, okay? See, we have first letters big, but when you use lowercase, everything is flattened down. Okay, so if you want to capitalize first letters, just say capitalize, and the result will be this. So it's not important where your word is at the end or start of sentence. First letter will always be capitalized. I don't know, maybe you want to play around with this make some kind of game or joke with your core worker HTML element, but don't do that if that job is important, you know, because joking with other people work can sometimes turn to be pretty much ugly. Don't ask how I know, I just know. I have seen things. Yeah. So that's about it, really simple tutorial. Just remember, when you want to align text, you will use text align. When you want to have line through your text, you will use text decoration. And when you want to mess around with letters, you want to use text transformation. You don't need to remember these things. You will remember them using it. Okay, even if you cannot remember everything, still you have technical documentation on internet, so just chill. Okay, you will use it when you need it. So as always, thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.